The Samsung Galaxy A90 flaunts a 6.41-inch display having a full bezel-less finish and a small front camera sensor popping at the top. It comes with a high screen resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels and a pixel density of 402 ppi. The OLED display is provided with a Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Under the hood, it packs an octa-core, 2.2 GHz Cryo 360 dual-core and 1.7 GHz Cryo 360 hexa-core processor that is seated upon the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset and provides great performance together. It is further assisted by the Adreno 616 GPU that provides amazing graphics and a 6 GB RAM that will handle multitasking of the device. The device has been provided with a triple set of the rear cameras having 32MP plus 5MP plus 10MP lenses featuring phase detection autofocus and high resolution that can capture amazing pictures. At the front, there is a 32MP lens which will be admired by the selfie lovers. To keep the device running for a long time, it has a 5000 mAh polymer battery. Expected price to be under 35,000 rupees.